Onsen Tamago is soft and silky semi-cooked eggs. Eggs are slowly heated in warm water, resembling onsen, which means hot springs. It's perfect as is for breakfast, or it can be a great topping for rice bowl or noodle dishes. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a heavy medium pot with a tight lid. Turn off the heat and add 3/4 cup room temperature water and gently drop 4 eggs. And let the eggs sit in hot water for 15 to 16 minutes, tightly covered without opening the lid. After 15 minutes, remove the eggs from the hot water. We are using large eggs straight from the fridge, but depending on the size and temperature of eggs and the water, you might have to adjust the time. Try once and you will get the idea for next time. You can eat right away or keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Find the complete recipe on JapaneseCooking101.com.